Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Start. I had the opportunity of perusing the judgment of my learned brother and I agree with the same. Stop. But I would like to add a few words. Stop. Para. Section 561A of the Old Criminal Procedure Code, that is, the inherent jurisdiction of the High Court, cannot be invoked for the purpose of merely reviewing or rehearing of an appeal on alleged fresh grounds or fresh materials as in civil matters. Stop. Apart from the provisions of appeal to Supreme Court, in certain cases, every order and judgment of this court is deemed to be final. Stop. True only for giving effect or for securing ends of justice or to prevent the abuse of the process of court. The High Court can invoke this extraordinary jurisdiction to correct its order and judgment, which is shocking to the conscience, but certainly not, as has been suggested here, merely for the purpose of reviewing or reconsidering its own judgment for the alleged omissions or laches on the learned advocate who argued the appeal or on fresh grounds of appeal not argued at the beginning. Stop. Para. In this particular application, learned counsel wanted to bring in certain other points which, according to him, were not urged by the learned advocate for the appellant who argued this appeal before us at the time of hearing. Stop. Of course, as we are rejecting his prayer on preliminary point of maintainability, we need to go in details about them and allowed him to elaborate this ground. Stop. I would like to point out that true, we mainly considered and discussed in our judgment the arguments of the learned senior advocate who appeared for the appellant, but in coining to our decision in the criminal appeal, we also considered and were satisfied about all possible aspects of the case, especially the facts of possession and other matters which are necessary ingredients to prove the offence charged, and to come to the finding we considered the entire evidence, the records and documents of the appeal, and did not base our judgment on only the arguments of the learned advocates. Stop. Para. This is an application submitted by the petitioner for reviewing of the judgment passed in criminal appeal, or in the words of the petitioner, for reopening and rehearing of the appeal filed by him against his conviction by a Presidency Magistrate, Calcutta, under Rules 126 of the Defence of India Rules. Stop. The accused petitioner was sentenced to suffer simple imprisonment for 6 months and to pay a fine of rupees 500 for the first offence committed. Stop. Although the appeal was dismissed on merits, the sentence was reduced to a sentence of simple imprisonment of 6 months with a fine of rupees 200 only. Stop. The appeal had been disposed of and the present application was filed on or about 12/6/1974. Stop. In the present application, the petitioner invoked the inherent power of the High Court contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, now incorporated in the Code of 1973, stop. Para. When the matter was taken up for hearing, learned counsel raised a preliminary point of law about the maintainability of the application for review or fresh hearing of the appeal in view of the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Stop. We have therefore heard the learned counsel for the parties on this point. Stop. His contention is that as soon as the judgment in the appeal was delivered and signed, the court ceased to have session in the matter and became functus officio, and the court has no jurisdiction to reopen the appeal and rehear the same after setting aside the judgment. Stop. For this purpose, learned counsel has relied upon the provisions of section 369 and 430 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1898, appearing though not exactly in the same form respectively in sections 362 and 393 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Stop. He has also referred to some decisions to support his argument to show that the inherent power of the High Court is not applicable in the present case. Stop.